In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your My Domain in Salesforce. Whether you're looking to personalize your Salesforce org or just need to update your domain for a specific reason, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Salesforce org. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon generally located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Advanced Setup. Now you'll be taken to the setup menu where you can find all sorts of tools and settings. Next, in the setup menu there's a handy search bar called the Quick Find box. In this box, type My Domain. This will help you quickly locate the My Domain settings without having to scroll through various options. You'll see the My Domain option pop up in the search results below. Go ahead and click on it. You should now be on the My Domain page. Look for a section called My Domain Details. In this section you'll find a button labelled Edit. Click this button to make changes to your domain settings. Once you've clicked Edit, you'll see the My Domain Name field, where you can type in your desired new domain name or suffix. Consider what name best represents your organization or project and type it in carefully. After you've entered your new domain name, it's crucial to check whether this name is available. To do this, simply click on the Check Availability button. Salesforce will then verify if the domain name you've chosen is already in use. If it is, don't worry, you'll just need to try a different name or suffix by changing part of what you originally typed. If you find that other suffixes are available, you may have the option to select one that suits your needs best. Play around with available options until you're happy with your choice. Remember, your domain is an identifier for your organization, so make sure it's both unique and a good fit. Once you've selected an available domain name and confirmed its availability, the final step is deploying this change to your users. This action will ensure that everyone in your organization starts using the new domain name as it updates the URL they'll access when logging into Salesforce. It's as simple as following the on-screen instructions to confirm, and there you have it, a brand new personalized domain name in Salesforce. Remember, updating your domain is a powerful way to customize your organization's Salesforce experience, making it more tailored to your brand or team. Make sure you're happy with your new domain before deploying it, as it impacts all users in your org. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you next time.